Living in a city comes with unique challenges when it comes to prepping. Let's explore how you can prepare for emergencies in an urban environment. Start with a compact emergency kit. Include essentials like water filters, portable chargers, non-perishable food, and a first aid kit. Space is limited in cities, so prioritize lightweight and multifunctional items. Next, plan your escape routes. Cities can become chaotic during disasters, so identify multiple evacuation options. Consider public transit, walking paths, and driving routes. Storage is key. Use hidden spaces like under beds, in closets, or even inside furniture to keep your supplies secure and out of the way. Urban prepping doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools, plans, and mindset, you can stay prepared and safe, no matter what comes your way. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.